Okay, so every day, like I had said, Mr. Martinez, we are going to go ahead and work on multiplication and division on a daily basis, both getting into class, and so before you leave the class, you're supposed to turn in your multiplication and division problem, and when you go home for homework, you're going to have a division and multiplication problem as well. So this is your division, and we're going to do it both ways as well. You're going to do your area model, and we're going to do your standard algorithm. We've done both already. This should all be, like the title says, a review. But we are going to hit it hard because a lot of you still do not know your tables. We're going to do an area model in division. So what do we do first?
First, you're going to do your box.
You're going to draw your box. So I'm going to do this first because I don't know how big I need my box to be. What number will be here?
2.
It's going to be the 2. This number right there. Okay? Now, on the top, I don't know because I still need to work it out. So, hopefully you remember that when we would do this, our area model in division, we would test it out. For example, we would do 2 times 5. Gives me what? 10. Is that number bigger? Is this a lot bigger than the 10?
Yeah.
So I need to try now a 10. 2 times 10 will give me what?
20.
Who remembers what other number I would test? Because 20 is too small compared to that number.
50.
No. We would jump to what?
30.
No.
100.
To 100. We would do 100. 2 times 100 gives me what?
200.
200. Can I use this one?
Yes.
Everybody agrees with the people saying yes?
Yes.
You're wrong. 200 is way larger than 128. So you can't. You can't use it. So I know it's not this. It goes over, and these are too small. So it's going to be anywhere between a 10 and 100, right?
Yes.
So what if we try a 20?
That's 40.
That's 40. Can I still go larger?
Yes.
Okay, what if I do a 30?
That's 60.
Can I go larger?
Yes.
What if I do a 40?
That's 80.
Can I still go larger?
Yes.
What if I do a 50?
That's 100.
Can I still go larger?
Yeah. No. No. What? Yeah.
Let's try one more and see if it works. 60 gives me what?
110.
No.
No. 160?
No.
No. 120.
120. I understood what you said, Lindsay, but you were thinking 12 and then the 0. But no, it's 1,000. I mean, it's 120. Okay? Do I go on?
No.
No, because if I do 2
2 and 70 will match.
so this is already close to it.
Yeah.
So let's do that one. So we're going to do 60 up here. We're going to do 60. So then I say 2 times 60 gives me what?
120.
120. Everybody is with me?
Yes.
So then you get your 128 minus 120. What do I have left?
8.
8. I have 8 left. So now I have to say, okay, 2 times what number gives me the 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. Two times what number will give me 8? It's not that hard, guys. You're counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6,
4.
and 8. Thank you. 4. So if I do the 4 up there and I do 2 times 4 here, what do I get?
That 8.
8. So I had 8 left minus the 8 that I just got. I have 0 left, right? So what would be my quotient? The answer. What would be my quotient?
0.
No. What is your quotient? Your answer is there on the area model.
60.
60 what?
64.
64 would be your quotient. Your answer. And that is the area model. We are going to do the standard algorithm. You should already know this by now. Both ways. Here we go. Standard algorithm. Okay, for standard algorithm, we do 2 on the outside and 128 on the inside. We do our T-chart of the 2's. This is your top, this is your bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 2, 4. Come on, guys. Bless you. 6.
8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
Okay. Now, we say how many 2's go into 1? How many groups of 2 go into 1?
0.
You're looking for 1 or less? Is 0. Very good. And do I only have Miss Mena answering?
It was Haida.
Haida, I'm sorry. 0. On the top, what goes at the bottom?
At the bottom.
Top is 0. Bottom is?
0.
And you subtract. 1 minus 0 is? 1. Then we have, bring down my 2, and now I have what?
12.
12. So you're looking for 12 or less on your bottom column. Come on, say it. 6. So what goes on the top and what goes at the bottom?
Up is 6, on the bottom is 12.
Very good. Now what do?
Take away.
We subtract. 12 minus 12.
0.
What do I do next?
Then bring down
Very good, Lindsay. Bring down the 8. How many groups of 2 go into 8?
4.
4. It's right here. What goes on the top? What goes at the bottom?
On the top is 4, at the bottom is 8.
And 8 minus 8 gives me?
0.
No, remainder right there. So my answer, my quotient here is 64. Is that the same answer we got on the area model?
Yes.
Yes. Now, I understand that you might not like to do it either area model or the standard algorithm. Okay, so, but I do need to teach you both ways and make sure that you get it both ways. One might be it is easier for you. Maybe the standard algorithm is a lot faster for you. But in STAR, they might give you a problem that has this box right here called the area model. And they might tell you what is the problem. And they might just give you this and this. And you need to figure it out. Or they might draw it for you. And they're going to tell you, okay, what is the problem for the division? And you need to come up with the numbers. So that's why I need to make sure that you all understand both ways. Any questions?
No.
So how many times a day are you going to be doing problems like this? Every day? How many times a day?
5.
No. 2. 1 in class, getting into class, and 1 for homework. Every day. You need to make sure that you have your supplies with you every day. You need to make sure you have your paper, your pencil ready to go when you come in. Any questions?
Yeah. No.
Okay.